All right, what's up, people? This is going to be a different video because this is going to be a video where I cook while making the fucking video. It's going to be crazy as fuck, and I don't know how this is going to go. So what we're doing right now is we're going to fucking heat up the pan. Now, let me tell you something. The way this works, I got to try to keep this shit fucking good, is you want hot pan, cold oil. So this is the oil over here. Now what do I have? This is pre-cooked wild rice. This, you don't want to know what the fuck that is. This is crab meat. This are Thai peppers, and this is onions. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw the onions in first. The onions are going to be the guys to fucking take the fucking thing, man. Oh shit, this is gonna be a good video. Yeah, I just gotta wait for it. I gotta wait for this fucking thing to heat up a little bit. It's feeling kind of hot. You can kind of feel it. You can kind of put your hand over it a little bit. Got that thing off. The thing's ready to go. I want to get this up to full speed though. You know what I'm saying? So basically what I'm gonna do, let me go and get these out. And now you're gonna be like, you're not using fresh fucking... Yeah, I'm using frozen, but trust me, sometimes frozen is better. It's kind of weird, depending on how you want to work. Shit, you see that? Yep. And that's my cousin. He's got a Superman shirt on. I wonder why. My brother-in-law loves Superman. So you gotta feel it. Feel that heat. Feel the way it's coming off. I think so many people nowadays, they don't really know how to cook. It's goofy. Like, oh, you just go to Burger King. Really? Man, come on, man. This entire meal that I'm making right now, it serves 4. And it only cost me $10. But you have to have a pantry. So you have to have a pantry. Fill your pantry. Get your spices, get your shit. And MSG is, of course, the one thing you want. What did I put MSG in again? Oh, I put it in the sauce. Did not put it on... Don't put MSG on fucking crab meat. That's goofy as fuck. You never want to do that. Don't put it on rice. That's still goofy. So, like, this is starting to get hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of oil in there. Then I'm going to throw the onions in there, and we'll see how that goes. So here we're gonna go. There we go. It's salty as fuck. You see, I just want to get a little bit on that. Because what I'm going to do next is, of course, it's that. That's the rice. Hold on. Switch. This is not going to be pretty because I'm actually trying to cook here, bro. Yeah, slow it down. Calm it down. Because when you put something cold into it, yeah, it's going to slow it down. It's going to calm it down a little bit. Now what I want to do is I want to get some kind of crust on this. I want to get a crust on this just dry. Just dry crust with the oil. I don't want to put the sauce on it yet. Now this is just boiled fried rice with onions. That's all it is. It's just boiled fried rice with onions. Trust me, I'm going to add everything in layers. I know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm going to clean up the sides. Now level it down. Press it down. Now what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to get a lot of moisture off this rice. So I'm thinking, do I want to add in, they're called boot chilies. These are Thai chilies and they are not mild. These are hot fucking peppers, bro. Those are hot peppers, bro. Now you see what it's doing? You feel that? You feel that pop? I haven't even put sauce or anything else in there. I'm frying the rice. It's called fried rice for a reason. You feel me? So I'm doing that. Yeah, catch it off the sides. Stir it up a little bit. Because what's happening is you're running out of oil. So now what we need to do is, let's go ahead and add the fucking, now, yeah, these are frozen vegetables. But you wait for it. You wait for it. You're going to be surprised. Keep spinning it. Wait till I add the sauce. You're going to be fucking surprised. See this goes over here. This goes over here. We can run water on that. I will. Trust me. When you hear that pop, that's good. Pop is good, bro. Now watch this. My secret ingredient. I'm gonna have to put the phone down. This is my secret ingredient. I'm gonna put the phone down because it's gonna take 2 hands. This is my secret ingredient. I'll see you in a second. I'll see you in a second, nigger. Now I'm gonna have to fucking. Y'all can't see it, but I ain't cooking for you. I'm cooking for me, nigga. Now you're starting to see it. Now you're starting to see it. Yeah, you gotta drag it off. You gotta drag it off the bottom because your oil was already spent. So now what you're doing is you're actually frying the fucking rice. You gotta fucking pull it off. You gotta dig under. You gotta dig under. You gotta do this shit. None of y'all know how to cook, man. That's so fucking funny. Now what do we have? What is this? Oh, that's crab meat. That's lump crab meat. It steams in its own juices, man. Now I go over here. Gotta turn that motherfucker off. Pull that shit off the fucking weight. Now see. Oh, fuck. You have no idea. I just cooked right in front of you. This video doesn't get 5 thumbs up. You guys suck all the dicks in the world. This is lump crab fried rice. Cooked right in front of you. Yeah, it took me 10 minutes. That's all it's going to take you. And guess what? It only cost me $10. Get your pantry right. Get everything right. Yeah, I'm going to have to wash that shit out. That's my secret sauce. Maybe I'll make a video on that one day, but it's not today. Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and eat. Look at that shit. You know you want to eat it. Thai peppers, everything. Everything is banging. That's me. Anywho.